Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct, and I know what you're thinking. Why are a wood finishing company talking about concrete? Well, wood and concrete mixed are the cornerstone materials in the industrial aesthetic. Concrete and stone are being used more and more on projects such as floors, tabletops, kitchen worktops, and even concrete flower pots. But first, what is Osmo Concrete Oil? Let's find out. Osmo Concrete Oil is a blend of natural oils and waxes which form a water and dirt repellent barrier on screed, artificial and natural stone, unglazed tiles, and as the name suggests, concrete surfaces. One of the main benefits of using concrete oil is that it greatly reduces dust on the surface and protects against staining, which can prove costly to rectify. We'll start with a very handy little test called the water test. The logic behind this test is simple. It helps us establish whether the surface is bare or has been previously treated. All you need to do is apply a drop of water onto the surface and leave for 30 seconds. If the water beads, then you know there's an existing finish on there that will need to be removed. If the water soaks in, you can move straight onto application. It's genuinely that easy. Osmo Concrete Oil dries to a satin finish, that enhances the beauty of concrete and stone, bringing out and enriching the colour. To make sure the product matches your desired aesthetic, Osmo has handy 5ml samples to put your mind at rest. Just make sure you try these on an inconspicuous area. Application of the Osmo Concrete Oil could not be easier when using my favourite, the pass method. Prepare properly. Clean and remove any dirt and previous finish. Apply thinly. Always work in manageable areas. Remove excess using a microfiber cloth. Sand lightly. Abrade the surface with a finishing pad. End coat. Apply and leave to dry. If you are seeking further technical assistance or advice on this project, why not put us to the test and give us a call or email? We are the experts after all. All the products mentioned in this video are linked in the description on YouTube. Like what you've seen? Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content. And remember, always do a test area.